2010 Chevy Camaro. Well, we got done on it for you, gentlemen and ladies. We put BBK headers right there and right there. Then BBK high flow cats there and there. And you know us, we don't like clamps, so we'll weld everything. Then it's got a a BORLA complete system. There's the X pipe, 2.5-inch pipe all the way back into some BORLA ATAKS right there and right there, into some 5-inch tips there and there. As you guys can see, complete system, really pretty. Came out. There it is, all the way with, there's the long tube headers. Took the manifolds off and put long tube headers, everything. All 2.5-inch system. BORLA ATAKS system. If you guys want the ATAKS system, there should be a link in the description, hopefully, if we can find it. Let you guys hear it in a second. We also put in a cold air intake system by BBK. Also, there's a customer. There it is. And there's the headers from the top, so you guys can see them. Right there. And right there. Cold air intake system. Part number is, I have no idea. It's not on the box, so there's the box. Sorry, guys. But there it is. Cold air intake system also. We'll let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Chevy Camaro. Here's sound decibels again. 117. Go ahead and back it out. Very nice. Chevy Camaro SS. Go ahead. Gold start. Told you. That's it. Just wait till you see the power difference. Take it down the road. Let's see what she sounds like. Okay. I haven't heard it going down the road at all or nothing. All right. We got to do yours next. Yeah. Full tube headers, everything. Beast mode! Oh my God! You can still hear it. That is amazing. I love it. I would probably put a Super 10 or like a MagnaFlow 14 series, something like that. Yeah, I would do like a MagnaFlow 14-inch body or two Flowmaster FX series, two of them. If you don't want a lot of throatiness.